Natural language processing, or NLP, is the technology that lets computers understand and use human language. It's the bridge between our messy, nuanced speech and the logical world of computers. Without NLP, we'd be stuck typing rigid commands instead of speaking naturally. The challenge? Human language is full of ambiguity, sarcasm, idioms, words with multiple meanings. Early systems relied on strict rules and failed with anything unexpected. The real breakthrough came with machine learning. By analyzing huge amounts of text, computers learned the patterns of language. Today, NLP powers everything from voice assistants to translation tools, making technology more intuitive and accessible. It's a cornerstone of modern AI, unlocking the vast information hidden in our daily communication. NLP is a branch of AI focused on helping computers understand, interpret, and generate human language. Unlike programming languages, human language is ambiguous and ever-changing. NLP lets machines process language as meaning and intent, not just words. For example, when you ask a smart assistant about the weather in London tomorrow, NLP breaks down your request, identifies key details, and understands your intent. It then fetches the right information and crafts a natural-sounding response. This process, speech recognition, parsing, intent detection, and response generation, is the NLP pipeline in action. NLP makes technology feel more human, turning simple queries into real conversations. It's the difference between a machine that just hears you and one that truly understands. That's why NLP is at the heart of today's most helpful AI tools. NLP starts by breaking language into tokens, words or subwords. These tokens are converted into numbers or embeddings, capturing meaning and relationships. Next, the model tags each word's role, noun, verb, etc., to understand grammar. Dependency parsing maps how words relate, clarifying meaning even in tricky sentences. The hardest part is semantic analysis, grasping context, recognizing entities, and detecting sentiment. These steps let NLP models analyze reviews, power chatbots, and extract meaning from text. Tokenization, tagging, parsing, and semantic analysis form the backbone of NLP. Together, they enable machines to move from reading words to understanding ideas. Early NLP models processed language one word at a time, struggling with long sentences and context. The breakthrough came with the transformer architecture, which uses self-attention to understand all words in a sentence at once. This allows models to connect distant words and grasp context more deeply. Transformers led to powerful pre-trained models like BERT and GPT, which learn from massive text datasets. Developers can now fine-tune these models for specific tasks, making advanced NLP accessible to everyone. This shift has accelerated innovation, letting even small teams build sophisticated language tools. Today, transformers are the foundation for state-of-the-art NLP, powering translation, summarization, and more. The impact of this technology is reshaping how we interact with information. NLP is everywhere, in your phone, your email, and your search engine. Digital assistants like Siri and Alexa use NLP to understand and respond to your voice. Search engines analyze your intent, not just keywords, to deliver relevant results. Email clients use NLP for spam filtering and smart replies, while tools like Grammarly suggest better writing. Machine translation services now produce natural, accurate translations thanks to advanced NLP. These systems understand context, making communication across languages seamless. NLP is breaking down barriers, connecting people, and making technology feel more personal. It's not just about talking to machines, it's about making them truly understand us. Every day, NLP quietly powers the tools that shape our digital lives. NLP is transforming AI, making it more accessible and human-like. It's revolutionizing fields like healthcare, law, and finance, by turning unstructured text into actionable insights. Doctors, lawyers, and analysts now rely on NLP to work faster and smarter. But as models grow more powerful, ethical challenges like bias and fairness demand attention. Ensuring these systems are equitable and trustworthy is crucial for the future. NLP is the key to true human-computer interaction, making technology a collaborative partner. From chatbots to research tools, its impact is profound and growing. The journey isn't over, but every advance brings us closer to technology that truly speaks our language.